Helo, shwmai, a chroeso I ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmai, and welcome to Welsh Wednesdays. Yes, as promised, we are back, and today we are going to get right to it and learn some new Welsh phrases. Dyma rai I chi ddefnyddio yn y swyddfa neu'r gwaith. Here are some phrases to learn for work or the office. Try using these phrases with your colleagues and improve your Welsh at work. Bore da, sut oedd dy benwythnos? Good morning, how was your weekend? Unwaith eto, one more time. Bore da, sut oedd dy benwythnos? Good morning, how was your weekend? Wyt ti'n eisiau te neu coffi? Would you like a tea or a coffee? Unwaith eto, one more time. Wyt ti'n eisiau te neu coffi? Would you like a tea or a coffee? That's it this week for Welsh Wednesdays. We will be back next week for part 2. Gwelch chi wythnos nesaf am ran 2.